Top 5 exercises for a killer six-pack. Do you want a ripped, toned midsection that will turn heads? If so, then getting a killer six-pack is probably high on your list of goals. However, achieving those six-pack abs takes hard work and dedication. Fortunately, there are certain exercises that can help you get the results you're looking for. In this video, we'll be discussing the top 5 exercises that you should incorporate into your routine to get a rock-hard six-pack. So, if you're ready to take your midsection to the next level, watch this video. 1. The plank. The plank is one of the best exercises you can do to get a six-pack. It's an incredibly simple exercise that not only targets your abdominal muscles but also works your core and back muscles as well. To do the plank, you start on the floor in a push-up position. Then, you hold your body up in a straight line with your hands directly underneath your shoulders and your feet directly behind you. You should keep your back flat and your abdominal muscles tight throughout the exercise. Try to hold the plank for 10 to 30 seconds and repeat it 3 to 4 times. You can make the exercise more challenging by doing variations such as side planks or single-leg planks. By consistently incorporating planks into your workout routine, you will be able to achieve an impressive six-pack in no time. 2. Russian twists. Russian twists are a great exercise for working on your core and building the strength and definition of your abdominal muscles. They are simple to do and provide a great cardio workout as well. To begin, sit on the floor with your knees bent and feet flat on the ground. Place your hands together in front of your chest and lean back slightly. Keep your core engaged and begin twisting your torso from side to side. Make sure to engage your obliques with each twist and try to move slowly and smoothly, rather than jerking or bouncing. When performing Russian twists, it's important to keep your core engaged throughout the entire movement and focus on using your abs to control the movement. You can add extra resistance by holding a medicine ball or weight plate in your hands. For an added challenge, you can add a few pulses while twisted in one direction or hold a static position with each twist. 3. Reverse crunches. Reverse crunches are an effective way to target your lower abs and build the foundation for a strong six-pack. This exercise requires minimal equipment and can be done virtually anywhere. To perform a reverse crunch, lie on your back with your legs up in the air and your hands at your sides. Lift your legs off the floor as you bring your knees toward your chest. As you do this, curl your hips off the floor and hold for a few seconds before slowly lowering back down. Keep your lower back pressed into the ground throughout the movement and avoid arching your back. Do 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps for best results. 4. Pilates scissors. Pilates scissors is a great exercise to work on toning your lower abs and obliques. To do this exercise, begin by lying on your back with your legs in the air and arms at your sides. Then, slowly lower one leg towards the floor while keeping the other leg elevated in the air as if you're doing a scissor motion. Hold this position for a few seconds, then switch sides and repeat. This exercise can be done without any additional weight or equipment, but if you want to make it more challenging, you can hold a light weight in each hand or use a Pilates resistance band. Make sure to keep your core tight and focused as you move through this exercise and remember to switch sides for an even workout. Pilates scissors are an effective way to target and tone your lower abs and obliques, so give it a try. 5. Seated leg tucks. Seated leg tucks are a great exercise to help you get a six-pack. This exercise is done from a seated position, which makes it more comfortable and easier to do than most other exercises. To begin, sit on the floor with your knees bent and feet flat on the ground. Place your hands behind your back for support, and lean back slightly so that your lower back is slightly arched. From this position, raise both of your legs off the ground until your thighs are parallel to the floor. Hold for a few seconds, then lower your legs back down to the starting position. Try to do 3 sets of 10 reps of this exercise. With consistent practice, you'll soon see results in your six-pack.